You recording? Come on, you wanna sing?
I don't want to sing.
Would you do it? Would you do it for Candy?
No.
Would you do it for Candy?
No.
Would you do it for me? Classic waters, stirred only by the wind, reflecting back upon it all. Can I gain anything from the truth of my oppression? Impersonate Elvis. Can you tell me anything about it? So I sit here in myself, and I'm thinking about the outside. Dead to the world, I'm dead to the world, and it's dead to me. Can you really sentence this face to the death penalty? So what? I killed a couple of people, a brick and a pillow. Ooh, does everyone do that? Who doesn't do that? You've done it. He's done it. I do it all the time. Who is really innocent here? Who's innocent?
Not me.
I'm not innocent.
I'm not innocent. I did it.
You're not innocent. You're not innocent. I'm back from the depths of the sea. Don't sentence me. I can't give you a good reason, but I promise I'll do it some more. I'm gonna watch out the door. Don't try to stop me. My family visit me in prison. Prism of light, cast through the shadows, cutting the night, cast through the shadows, cutting the night. Ooh-wee, 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 ooh-wee. Doobly skibbly wop. Prison song, prison song. Max, you give me hope when there's none. I know they're gonna kill me by 12. Max, you give me hope when you shouldn't. They're gonna kill me. Guess that's what happens when I kill 2 people. Max, you talk a lot. Max, why you gotta talk so much? Max, why you gotta talk so much? Why does he gotta talk so much? Prosecution You say I gotta go. Put the axe in my hand. I know there's no hope. Incarcerated. I'm friggin' incarcerated. Guillotine coming down on me. Max, go talk to the mayor for me. Why do you want to listen to you? But why, Max? Tell me everything. Tell me why, Max.